Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about Saregama Carvaan. This unique box gets 5000 built-in songs. It has a slew of connectivity features like radio, USB aux as well as Bluetooth. And in addition to this, you have these controls through which you can dial and use different kind of artists to listen to music that they have sung. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Saregama Carvaan. So the moment you check out the box for Saregama Carvaan, you will notice the design, the uniqueness of this whole device. It's got this look and feel of traditional radio transistors that we used to have back in the days, and Caravan is basically kind of rekindling the whole evergreen nature of how music used to be heard back then. But it's good to see that they've modernized the device with a slew of modern features like Bluetooth, USB aux is also there, and then you have so many other things that we can talk about. But the most important and highlighting part about this device for me is that it comes with preloaded 5000 evergreen songs from one of the popular artists in the Bollywood industry. So now let's open the box, but before that we can also talk about some of the features that Carvaan offers. So it has USB aux in, as we just talked about, so you have both these options that you can use through a USB port as well as the aux port. Then you have FM AM connectivity as well, so if you want to listen to FM radio channels, you can use this device to do that as well. And you've got Bluetooth. Then it's got this rechargeable battery that charges using a micro USB port which is at the back, and you can basically use any of your traditional micro USB phone chargers to charge this device. Now let's open the box. What all Saregama Carvaan comes with, we'll just find out. So as we open the box, you can clearly see that the box has been kept in mind keeping the safety of the device, which is why it gets this proper packaging inside which you have the device. So this is primarily what is the Carvaan. I will just take this out of this packet over here to give you a more cleaner and a good look of this device. So as you can see, this is the Saregama Carvaan. We've got this blue and a black dual tone finish, that model variant that we have with us, and it's got these controls over here. So as you can see over here, you have these buttons. It's called these artists, it's called specials and Geet Mala. So these are some of the features, and you have this dial which can be used to control the volumes, and you have these playback buttons as well. Apart from this, you have these volume button over here as well, and you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, so that if you want to listen to something through your headphones, you can do that as well. Then you have a slew of buttons over here. Just as we talked about, you have the USB button, you have the FM button, and you have the Bluetooth button. So all these features work through this device, and you have the power button at the top over here, which primarily lets you start the device and using it. Then you have these ports over here at the back as well. So that's primarily, this is a feature packed device that caters to audiences who want to listen to all these old classics from artists like Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle. So this is a device which primarily satisfied their appetite for a music in that genre. Then apart from this, you have this unique antenna also over here. So what you basically do is you fit this on the device at the top, and you can use this so that you get proper FM radio connectivity, and the stations can be heard without any disturbances. So that's primarily what you get inside the box with the Saregama Carvaan. So as you can see, Saregama has not packed a lot of things inside the box with Carvaan, but you get the main device over here, which itself has a lot of controls and features to look forward to, and you can just browse through all of them using the device, and you get a quick hands-on understanding of what the device is all about, in addition to what it plays with the preloaded music on the device. You have this unique antenna, detachable antenna, which just fits in over there on the device, and you can listen to FM radio channels without any disturbance, and you can charge the device using a traditional micro USB charger. It could be detached or it could be the attached one, and the power sourcing will make sure that it gets charged, and the rechargeable battery makes sure that you have a long battery backup without needing a power source all the time. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.